Okay, so hi, we are ready to start. So first of all, it's me, Ajay. I am a Salesforce expert and I am co-founder, director, Cloud Analogy. I'm going to give a quick demo of an app development which we have done for a particular client, and I'm going to showcase our team's expertise. With me, I'm also going to have Varun. So before we start, let me quickly give you a brief background of about our company. So this is our company website, Cloud Analogy. If you go to our website, you can see our clients and our team. So a quick brief description about Varun as well. So Varun is one of our team leads. He has been working on Salesforce since last 3 years, and before that he had a good experience on Java. So he is pretty good at Salesforce Aura design system, Lightning design system, and developing Aura components. And in this particular project, he has showcased his expertise on app development. So before wasting any time, I would quickly like to tell you a brief also about our existing app on App Exchange. One of the very famous apps which we have is drag and drop app, which is freely available on App Exchange. You can go ahead and have a look at it. You can do a quick search on App Exchange as drag and drop, and you will be able to view the app. As well as you can see a couple of pretty good reviews coming up, and several clients have actually used it. Clients like Virgin Australia, Honeywell's, and several other clients have used this app. So we provide a full-time support to this app, and by this we also try to showcase that we have the expertise, and we make sure that all our apps are bug-free and supported every time. So without wasting any much time, I would like to hand over the controls to Varun.
Hello everyone. So we integrated with this letter friend.
So before Varun start, let me Varun, we are not able to see your screen.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, guys. Yeah, now we are able to view your screen. So let me quickly explain about the client. The client name is Letterfriend. Now what they do is pretty interesting and new in Salesforce so far. So what they do is, like, whatever information you send them, it's like a string or something like a information. What they will do is, like, they will convert it into a handwritten text. So it's almost interesting, and like in a couple of surveys it have found that handwritten letter makes more impact and makes, like, connects you with your client more than anything, rather than a printed drafted email or even a letter printed one. So now they're having a good reach outside Salesforce, and they decided to come up with a plugin. Like, they had that idea and they reached out to us, and we were able to develop a quick plugin for them, which would do the job within Salesforce. So yeah, Varun, you can give a demo.
Okay. So currently we are sending letters from the lead and the contact objects. Like we are on the record detail page for lead. We have a section for handwritten letters. Then now when we click on this send letter button, we have this various information filled according to the custom settings we have and other things. Like if we are clicking that button from leads page, it'll take that lead name and that leads company, and if the address information is there, it'll it'll take it from there. Otherwise, it'll be like NA, all the fields. And now from here, and for the sender information, we have custom settings. We have in that we have a field which according to which we take in the data for senders. Like if we have CS, that stands for custom setting, the data will be pulled from the custom setting itself. If we have that field filled in like company, then the sender's name will be company's name and the address will be pulled from the company's address. And if we select user, then the same goes for that also.
So the user is the existing user, company is the current company which is holding the Salesforce company, and the sender information, if it is any custom setting sender information, like all this custom like hard-coded values, it will pull up those hard-coded values. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes. So moving forward, now we write the letter.
Oh, great. So this is a letter which you are actually typing in. Now we are going to send this information from Salesforce, integration done with letterfriend, right?
Yes. And we have a special instruction box so that you can add some special instruction, like if you want to send some special kind of card or some special kind of stationery. These instructions are for the letterprint people. They'll send customized things according to what you say. Like we have here.
Or do it a gift wrap or send an aloha card, right? Something like that.
So when we hit the send letter button, if everything goes fine, we'll have a record with all the details here. And to show this, you have to log into your letterfriend account. See, here is the message we just sent.
Okay, so letterfriend received this message, the details, address details, the sender recipient address, whether it is a company to which it is going, whether it is a person, all the details and everything. Now what they are going to do is the magic happens on their end. Like they will write down a letter or get a special coded letter on their end and they will post it to the given address.
Yep.
Oh, perfect. So a couple of quick questions, Varun, for you. So what sort of integration, like backend, was this, whether it was REST-based or a SOAP-based integration?
It was REST-based integration.
Okay, great. And what about like you did created a package for it?
Yes, we created several beta packages and then the final managed package, release package.
Oh, great, great to know that. And in fact, what I can say is like we have been following best practices and we make sure that all our apps are following best practices. And all the best practices which we follow, I do try to share it with outside world. This is my blogging website in which I do try to formalize all the blogs and my experience, share it with the outside world. So it's like Salesforce App Exchange, checkmarks, major issues, Salesforce App Exchange, development checklist, and the process which we should follow, like to do a testing on Salesforce, how different versions are being made, how we should maintain an app, and further on. I hope this particular demo would have showcased a simple but elegant app which we have built, and the good news is that we are soon going to release it on App Exchange. It's not right now App Exchange ready. It's being developed right now for a couple of private clients, and that's why it might not also be freely available. And once it is out, it will be paid app. I hope you liked our app and the expertise showcased by Varun. Thank you.